Awesome. So I've taken out one of the soft boxes of the return. So we'll just put it together. This black plastic cap is just to protect the top, so it is removed to reveal the threaded piece. Drop the support mount down. Loosen that right off, so it's a drop and lock mechanism. So that drops down right over the silver piece, known in the industry as the spigot. And this should push back like that, so it's nice and taut. Remove the cap off the bulb. Screw it in. So this is live, I haven't tested this yet. I'll leave that off for now until we plug it in and test it. So I've plugged it into an extension lead and it's come on straight away. I've got the switch here, so that seems to be working okay with the bulb. If you could just pause it a second please, and video, and I'll connect it to the app then.